We're still here in China, in Shanghai, China, but this is one of the outskirts of China na meron palang ancient water town that you can enter for free. So tara guys, let's explore this ancient town for today's video.
Real travels.
Value for money.
Food trip.
Accommodation na sulit.
Real travels.
Because adventures are the best way to learn.
Hey guys, welcome to Real Travels, a travel and adventure show powered by FEBC in collaboration with Shutterlight Digital. My name is Shaira de la Peña, your travel host and buddy for this episode. And today guys, we are here in Zhujiajiao, Water Town, Shanghai, China. Guys, look at this ancient water town. Grabe. Sobrang ganda oh. Ang linis, tsaka napaka-solemn. Solemn? Napaka-serene, napaka-solitude-denationism. Grabe yung ano dito, yung vibes. It's a completely different vibe from Shanghai. Shanghai, sobrang modern na city, tas parang buildings, skyscrapers, parang very future-forward. Ito, parang you'll take a step back. Tapos mag-slow down ka. Tapos parang napakasirin ng lahat ng nakikita mo. Parang bumabagal yung mundo. Ganon. Ganda guys. Ang water town na to, may mga magkabilang side. That side and then this side. Sa left and the right. Tapos may mga stores and shops. Iba't ibang stores and shops. May mga handmade jewelry, may mga kainan, may mga restaurants. The best thing talaga dito is that it's actually a free place that you can go to. Wala naman siyang admission fee, wala naman siyang parang ticket para makapasok ka sa loob. Yung babayaran mo lang is ito, yung mamaya may mga boat dyan. So if you just wanna experience that, but the rest, libre lang. Kasi I think, ang attraction nila dito for tourists is, ayan, kapag makakabili naman sila sa shops, sa mga gilid, when they go to this water town. So, ayan, may mga mini restaurant, stores, ganyan. Meron sila mga pasalubong stores. Ito, makakabili ka ng mga fruits na fresh. Yung mga apricot nila, mga mandarin, Chinese mandarin na sobrang fresh. It's so nice. Tsaka parang yung mga ganito kasing theme, parang ancient na Chinese na things, na mga gantong theme. Parang makikita mo lang kasi, di ba siya guys, usually sa mga Chinese New Year, kapag may celebration tayo, yan, if may celebration tayo sa Pilipinas ng Chinese New Year, or parang anything related sa Chinese, ay wait lang guys, tingnan nyo. Ang ganda oh, merong nagfi-fishing na kuya dito. Nagfi-fishing lang siya. Super chill lang. So anyway, going back, parang na-amaze ako kasi syempre, yung mga decorations na parang kunwari, ito, yung mga Chinese lantern, yung mga Chinese na architecture sa gilid-gilid na very vintage, very ancient. Nakikita lang talaga natin yan sa movies, di ba? Nakikita lang natin yan sa mga movie ni Jackie Chan, ganun. Tapos nakikita ko lang siya sa mga decorations ng mga Chinese event sa Pilipinas, sa Binondo, ganun. Or nakikita ko lang tong decorations na to sa Divisoria kapag nagbebenta ng mga Chinese decor. Tapos ang maganda talaga dito, guys, is that ito na yung parang the actual one. Kumbaga, hindi na siya parang kinostume lang na lugar or dinress up lang na lugar. Everything that you see here is like authentic na Chinese talaga. Lahat ng mga details, ayun o, napakaganda. Even the nature, kasi sobrang daming trees na naman silang nilalagay. Yan talaga yung favorite part ko sa China, yung trees. Ayun o, napakaganda. Para ka nasa Ghibli na movie. Yung parang very zen. It's so beautiful. Grabe, buti na lang naisip namin na mag-detour from the city of Shanghai to go here kasi it's such a different vibe dito sa Zhujiajiao na ancient water town. Super different na vibe. So parang Ang ganda lang kasi you can take a break from the city. Tapos parang 1.5 hours siya. Maximum 2 hours travel. Via metro lang naman. From wherever you are in Shanghai, mag-metro ka lang. Tapos hanapin mo yung line 17, brown line yon, to Zhujiajiao metro station. O pagbaba mo, mag-take ka ng Didi, yun yung grab nila, papuntang Zhujiajiao, Ancient Town, Gate 1, baba ka, eto na. O, diba? Ito yung premier car ng Didi. So, may premier option and it's an electric vehicle. It looks so nice. At guys, 11 RMB lang to. So, pwede ka kumuha ng water sa kanilang premium version ng pag-book. And super nice guys, para siyang limousine. Tinry lang natin mag-book ng Didi na premium imbes na basic to see the difference. And ang laki nga din kahit papano ng difference. Meron kang water. Magkano din ang water? 2 to 3 RMB. Tapos dito libre lang, tapos dalawa pa. Siya. Ayan, so, yan guys. What a premium ride for only 100 pesos. At ito na. Ganun lang kadali pumunta dito. I thought magiging mahirap for us to commute here, baka complicated, but it's not. It's just really straightforward yung kanilang metro rail system. And ang galing guys, kasi na-extend na talaga nila hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan yung kanilang metro kahit saan. Basta nasa Shanghai ka, makakapunta ka kahit saang sulok ng Shanghai, even as far as a place like this. So yun, ang ganda lang kasi sabi nga nila, yung biggest metro rail system in the world pala is in Shanghai. So yun guys, go to Zhujiajiao Water Town, ancient water town, when you have time, like a free day or a free half day from the city center ng Shanghai, tapos magdi-detour kayo, punta kayo here. Guys, so kakalakad natin dito sa Zhujiajiao Ancient Water Town. We came across this hopya stall. Syempre, 'di ba, what is a China trip without making tikim yung kanilang pagkain, which is hopya, 'di ba? So, sanay lang ako sa engbitin sa Pilipinas pero tikman natin yung hopya talaga dito sa China. So, yan guys, so talagang niluluto nila, talagang they're making the hopya in front of you, tapos may mga different flavors na hindi ko naman natitikman sa Pilipinas. So, ang nirecommend ng seller dito is yung red bean ata nila and the chestnut sugar. So, itatry natin tong flavors na to. 1 by 1. Mura lang kasi parang 3 RMB each. So, parang 24 pesos each. Di na masama for a freshly made hopya here in Zhujiajiao Ancient Water Town dito sa Shanghai, China. So, let's try this hopya. Ano to? Parang ube? Ay, hindi. Parang taro. Parang bean. Ito nga, red bean. Masarap siya, guys. Hindi siya yung parang matamis na hopya. More on bean siya na super mild lang yung sweetness. Pero, masarap yung texture ng red bean. Masarap yung crust ng hopya. Tsaka yung, tingnan niya guys, yung shape ng hopya. Dice siya. Hindi siya yung parang bilog. Ito naman, itry natin. The other flavor, parang may chestnut sugar. Sarap yung dough ng hopya nila, ha? Sarap. Parang mas totoo yung ingredients. Ito yung natural na hopya, guys. Hindi yung parang, yung nabibili sa mga supermarket. Ganito pala yung lasa ng natural hopya. Very healthy and, freshly made. So, thank you. Thank you, China, sa... Meow! Ayan, very friendly sila, ha? Very, very friendly sila. Tsaka, they are actually so warm and patient. Hindi sila impatient. Talagang aantayin ka nila, i-Google Translate yung gusto mo sabihin, tapos magre-reply sila. Napakabait nila dito, guys, sa China. Guys, tingnan nyo! Oh my gosh! Ang daming novelty. Daming novel items dito. Let's check it out. May mga clips sila. Meron kang Coke na clip sa buhok. Tapos merong mga magnet. Ayan guys, ang daming magnet and a lot of other stuff. Imagine mo water town to pero parang merong malan miniso dito. Tingnan nyo guys. Para tong Para tong Divisoria Premium guys na sobrang mura. I got a mini parang spray na pabango and then another ref magnet. Parang nasa 9 lang to. 9 RMB. Ang ganda guys. So, tas ayan, may mga super random stuff sila. May tsaa nga silang binibenta eh. Ito watermelon and lychee. Anti-inflammatory, anti-cough, and phlegm. Can I taste? This one? What is this? This? This one. Ayan. So, mango passion fruit daw to, guys. Tapos, 1.2 yuan per gram. Ito daw. Free taste. Ayan o. Strengthens the stomach, digestive system, and scrapes oil. For big dummies. So, let us try. Ay! Hindi siya yung tsaa na matabang. Sobrang malasa siya. Sarap pala. Sarap pala, guys. Guys, sobrang unique ng mga vendors dito, no? Ayan, no? Parang coconut na drink. Tapos, aside from that, guys, meron din mga photo op na costume na pwede kayo mag-dress up. Ayan, guys, so parang nire-rent yung costume. Tapos, nire-rent din yung photography services. If gusto nyo mag-ala Ming Dynasty or parang mga malajumong-jumong, ayan, pwede din kayo mag-try niyan dito sa Watertown. Ang cute lang guys kasi ang dami mong pwedeng gawin dito. Daming activities. Naka super chill lang. And we'll try to tawid from here. Ang dami nilang specialty store guys. So, naghanap ka bang pamaypay? Ang daming pamaypay. Mga vase, mga crochet na bags, tapos mga iba pang mga stores, ayun o, nagbebenta sila ng mga pork, ng mga, may mga kalenderya, left and right guys, yung mga kalenderya, yung mga authentic, ayun o. O, pork chop noodles, fried tofu, wonton noodles, hot and dry noodles. Ang gusto ko talaga matikman pagdating dito sa China is yung parang nila, Sichuan na spice na sabaw. As a sabaw lover. Guys, look may matcha. Fresh bamboo tube fresh tea ice cream. Wow. Tingnan nyo guys. Wow, this is such a beautiful view ng medyo paggabi na from the Zhujiajiao Ancient Water Town. It's so beautiful guys kasi yung mga stores and restaurants around this water town nagla-light up na and they have a lot of Chinese lanterns and they have a lot of lights surrounding yung mga bubong ng mga stores na to, which is very Chinese yung feels and style. So yan guys, napakaganda. I mean, wow. Parang parang nasa ibang state na tayo ng China. But to be honest, nasa Shanghai pa rin tayo and that's so amazing. Eto guys, tumatawid na tayo. We'll go cross over there. Tapos, ayan, napakaganda guys. It's so beautiful. Parang Great Wall of China yung ito. Oops! Ayan o, yan yung view. Super nice. Ayan na, parang may pa-light show pa dun sa dulong bridge guys. Wow, yan ang Water Town. Yan guys, so we had a medyo mainit na ngayon yung weather after umulan. So, yun yung parang alinsangan ba yun ng init. So, we got a matcha. Siyempre, yan, nag-pay na tayo ng 10 RMB which is roughly around 80 pesos for this matcha ice cream. Ito yung mga local ice cream nila. They have other choices. May fresh orange juice sila, tsaka iba pang mga fruit juices if you want to try pomegranate or watermelon or coconut juice. Pero ito, mainit kaya tayo nag-matcha ice cream. Super sarap guys. 80 pesos lang. Soft serve siya na ice cream. It's so yummy. Gabi na. And super na-enjoy ko guys kasi I was able to see yung modern Shanghai and ito naman yung old Shanghai. And it's really worth it talaga. That's it basically for this episode guys. I hope you enjoyed sa pagsama sa akin sa Zhujiajiao water town na ancient here in Shanghai, China. And again, adventures are the best way to learn. This is Shaira de la Peña once again, your travel buddy and host dito sa Real Travels. And I'll see you for the next episode for more Shanghai, China episodes. Bye!